Welcome to the assembly tutorial of JIS MT50 drone airframe. Connect and install the left square tube with the fixed adapter base. Secure with M4X10 screws from the side. Install the front square tube F. Secure with M4X8 screws. Right square tube R. Apply the same procedure M1. Connect the assembled part to the left square tube assembly. Secure with screws in the same way. Install the rear fixed adapter base following the same steps. Connect the rear square tube. Install the right fixed adapter base M4 in the same manner. Secure with screws. Fix the outer screws as well. Fix the outer mounting holes of the adapter base with M4X10 screws. Install RTAK fixed bases on both sides of the tail. Fix with 4 PCs M4X16 screws. Repeat the operation on the other side. Flip the airframe over. Reinforce the adapter bases with 8 PCs M4X16 screws. The other side is the same. Fully tighten all screws. Take out the connecting bracket. Secure with M4X8 screws. Install on the adapter at the front and rear square tubes. Align the wiring holes with the square holes of the square tubes during installation to facilitate internal wiring layout of the aircraft. Tighten the screws for reinforcement. Install the other 3 brackets in the same way. Take out the arm tube clamp. Fix on the rear square tubes on left and right sides with M4X16 screws. Install 3 screws for each pipe clamp. After rear installation is completed, flip the airframe with the bottom facing up. Install the other side in the same way. The pipe clamps are installed in opposite directions. Install the power distribution board. Secure with M4X20 screws. Install the battery plug assembly. Reinforce with M4X10 screws. Fix the positive and negative electrode holes with M5 screws. Install the front distribution board in the same way. Install the arm buckle. Fit the buckles into the adapter base. Place the screw and torsion spring according to the slot. Reinforce the bottom end with screws. Reinforce the bottom end with screws. Install the other 3 buckles in the same manner. Complete the installation of upper screws. Flip the airframe over. Fix the outer mounting holes of the adapter base with 4 PCs M4X10 screws. Tighten all screws fully in the same way. Install the landing gear fixings and tighten with tools. Secure with M4X20 screws. Install the other 3 fixings identically. Install antenna fixings at the antenna mounting holes. Reinforce with M4 screws. Install the other side in the same way. Assemble nose and tail radar fixings. Insert dust-proof silica gel respectively. Install the glass fiber board on the nose radar fixing. Secure with M3X10 self-tapping screws. Install the camera fixing with M4X35 half-thread screws and M4 nuts. Check the tightness. Install the tail radar fixing at the rear airframe. Reinforce with M4X10 screws. Install the nose radar fixing following the same method. Install the lower tail shell with tool assistance. Tap gently with tools to snap the buckles in place. Then install the lower nose shell. Flip the airframe. Insert the power extension cord into the square tube. Connect the front plug. The other side is the same. Install the upper tail shell. Snap the buckles along the shell gaps. Clip the GPS cover onto the upper nose shell. Finally, install the upper nose shell. Snap the buckles along the gaps in the same way. Install the battery compartment. Align the battery compartment with the square tube holes. Secure with M4X10 screws. Install the other one in the same way. Airframe assembly completed.